kurasa lingine ambalo ni la hotuba. Na nataka kwa sasa nimwalike gavana wa Homa Bay, Gladys Wanga. Hebu tumpigie makofi gavana wa Homa Bay, Gladys Wanga, aje anene mafupi. Karibu, Madam, Your Excellency.
The President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Her Excellency Rachel Ruto, our guest president, the President of the Republic of Slovenia, Her Excellency Natasha P.S. Musar, Your Excellency Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, Her Excellency Mama Aida Betty Odinga, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki, and Dr. Joyce Kithure. Cabinet Secretaries present, Speakers of Parliament, Speaker of the National Assembly, Right Honorable Moses Wetangula, Speaker of the Senate, Amason Jaffa Kingi, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Excellency Governors present, Leaders of Parliament, His Excellency Junet Mohammed, His Excellency Honorable Kimani Ichung'wa, Honorable Aaron Cheruiyot, Members of Parliament present, Members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. His Excellency the President, if you allow me just 1 minute, I would like to recognize the Excellency Governors who have come here. His Excellency James Bob Orengo of Siaya, His Excellency Anyang' Nyong'o of Kisumu, and His Excellency Dr. Ochilo Ayako of Migori. Deputy Governors led by my own Deputy Governor, His Excellency Oyugi Magwanga. Members of Parliament from Homa Bay. Your Excellency, we are hosting this as a leadership together. Please just rise so that I can recognize you. Senator Beatrice Ogola, Honorable Bensouda Joyce Osogo, Senator Moses Kajwang, Honorable Peter Pondokaluma, Honorable Millie Mabona, who is also the whip of the National Assembly. Honorable Dr. Lillian Gogo, Honorable Adipo Kwome, Honorable Martin Peters Owino, and Honorable Karoli Omondi, Members of Parliament from Homa Bay County. Members of the County Assembly, led by the Speaker, please just rise for acknowledgement. Members of the County Executive Committee, please just rise for acknowledgement. And the one and only First Gentleman, Mr. George Wanga. Your Excellency, it is my singular honor to warmly welcome you to the great county of Homa Bay, the Lake County of endless potential. Everywhere they are, the sons, daughters, and people of Homa Bay take this hosting honor with exceptional pride. Your Excellency, allow me to express our profound gratitude for granting our request to host this Madaraka Day. For the first time, the people of Homa Bay are not merely following these national celebrations on media, they are experiencing them firsthand. This auspicious moment will leave an indelible mark on our community, especially in the hearts and minds of our children and youth. Your Excellency, we are grateful that just 6 months ago, during the finals of the Genoa Governors Cup, you pledged to complete the expansion of our stadium. Today, we proudly unveil a 12,000-seater capacity, canopy-covered stadium, ongoing of our dualing of our main highway, expansion of Kabunde airstrip, and upgrading of various roads in Homa Bay town. These developments are a testament to your commitment to keeping promises. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about Homa Bay. Our name is derived from the majestic Homa Hills and the lakefront, the bay. Of the 6% of Kenya's Lake Victoria, almost 80% lies within Homa Bay County. It is a beautiful gem with scenic beaches, beautiful sunsets, breathtaking hills, the Ruma National Park and the rare Rowan antelope, Simbinyaima and its flamingos, and the beautiful islands of Mfangano, Rusinga, Takawiri, Kiwa, Kibuogi, Ringiti, Ngode, among others. Homa Bay offers an abundance of natural wonders. On this historic event, as we celebrate the 62nd Madaraka Day, let me reflect on the contribution of Homa Bay's legends in the making of our nation. Gor Mahia, Ojijoteko, Tom Mboya, Paul Mboya, Otieno Kajuang, Orua Ojode, Dr. Odhiambo Mbai, the chair of the Devolution Committee during the Constitutional Review, among others. It is befitting that we named this magnificent stadium Raila Odinga Stadium in Homa Bay, Rosh, to honor and celebrate the father of devolution in Kenya, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Asante Baba for defending devolution. Ladies and gentlemen, in celebrating women's leadership, as a member of the G7 Women Governors Caucus, we are delighted and inspired to be joined today by our guest, Madam President, Her Excellency Natasha from Slovenia, the only country in the world with love in its name. We celebrate women leaders on whose shoulders we stand. Mama Phoebe Asio, Mama Rachel Ruto, and Minping, Her Excellency Dr. Canon Ida Betty Odinga, among many others. We thank the people of Homa Bay for electing women leaders, as we are among the few counties that have achieved the 2/3 gender rule, with election of Honorable Millie Mabona, Honorable Dr. Ivo Bara, Honorable Dr. Lillian Gogo, Honorable Bensouda, and Senator Beatrice Ogola. Your Excellency, we celebrate your government's partnership with Homa Bay County, anchored in our constitutional framework. Since independence, no administration has matched your dedication to our development. The construction of 10 fresh produce markets in Kijebi, Luanda, Sindo, Mbita, Ndiwa, Rodi Kopan, Kindu Bay, Misambi, Kobodo, and the Homa Bay Fish Market at the lakefront, which you launched on Friday, will economically empower and dignify our farmers and traders. We thank you for approving additional markets in Kadongo, Kosele, Nyangueso, Pala, Sikwadi, and Rangue. Your Excellency, revitalization of the piers in Homa Bay, Kendu Bay, and Bita will foster seamless connectivity across Lake Victoria. In the near future, you will launch the Lake Victoria Public Ferry. Your Excellency, in line with this year's theme of the Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs, we request your government to support the setup of the Blue Economy Center of Excellence at the Tom Mboya University, lake safety for our fisherfolk, support for our beach management units, and inclusion of women and youth to attain the 52,000 potential Blue Economy jobs in Kenya. We applaud the commencement of construction of critical road networks, including the Mfangano Ring Road, Rusinga Ring Road, Mbita Sindo Magunga Sori Road, Kadel Kanyadiang Road or the Ojijoteko Road, Rangwe Oboke Nyaburu Road, Rangwe Ndiru Road, Kadongo Gendia Road, Nambakaraboka Diedo Road, the Gor Mahia Ring Road, Wahambla Imbo Road, La Laruga Road. The Gor Mahia, which you launched just the other day. These projects will enhance connectivity and drive economic growth for our people. Your Excellency, as a county, since coming into government 2.5 years ago, we have raised our on-source revenue by over 700%, from 191 million to over 1 billion shillings. Using this enhanced on-source revenue, we are constructing a 5-story accident and emergency block in our Homa Bay Teaching and Referral Level 5 hospital, which will serve as our referral hub, our commitment to a healthier and wealthier county. We are aggressively addressing infant and maternal mortality and combating the triple threat of gender-based violence, HIV, and teenage pregnancies. Your Excellency, following cutbacks in foreign assistance, we call on your government to assist county governments in recruitment, in financing recruitment of healthcare workers and regularization of UHC staff. Showcasing our boundless agricultural potential, according to the KNBS, Homa Bay is the leading producer of fish, sunflowers, sweet potatoes, and peanuts in Kenya, the second largest producer of cotton, and the top 3 millet and sugarcane producer, not forgetting our sweeted pineapples from Olare in Kochia. The establishment of the Riwa Special Economic Zone and the County Aggregation and Industrial Park, in partnership with your government, will facilitate value addition, agro-processing, industrial growth, wealth, and job creation. The setting up of the fish processing plant by Victory Farms aligns with our vision for private sector partnerships. We call on more private sector players to set up at the Riwa Special Economic Zone in areas of cotton ginning, edible oil processing, sweet potato pelleting, among other value chains. We request your government, Your Excellency, to support us with the horizontal infrastructure at the Riwa SCZ. Your Excellency, we are committed to education. We have built 241 classrooms under a program dubbed Dondoa Kaunda in the last 2 years. Our Fundi Mangula Vocational Training Scholarship, Fins to Swim Scholarship, and bursary program support over 20,000 beneficiaries every year. We thank all our partners for their support across various sectors. Joturuawa mabor, tokendowa di mabor. The construction of our new county headquarters in partnership with CPF is now nearly complete, and it will provide a one-stop shop for all government services, complete with a Huduma Center. This project is part of a broader vision to transform Homa Bay into a vibrant economic hub and a gateway to East Africa. We are relocating administrative offices to open up the lakefront for investment, tourism, and hospitality. Our larger vision is to have a Homa Bay city in a decade, the Cape Town of Kenya. Your Excellency, on behalf of the people of Homa Bay, let me thank you for appointing our sons, CS National Treasury, Honorable FCPA John Badi, and the PS Interior, Dr. Raymond Omolo, to critical dockets in your government. Your Excellency, let me celebrate our unity in progress. The success of Homa Bay has been achieved by working together in our quest for development as captured in the ODM 10-point agenda. I thank you, Mr. President, and Your Excellency Baba, for coming together to ensure that no Kenyan is left behind through this broad-based arrangement. This is how we will tackle the challenges confronting us, by having everyone on board the Kenya prosperity ship, the men, the women, the youth, the persons with disability, the elderly, the marginalized, and all 47 counties. As we celebrate 62 years of self-rule, let us recommit ourselves to national unity, progress, and development. In closing, Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to warmly invite you all back to our county for the Devolution Conference in August 2025 and the World Food Day in October 2025. And tomorrow, as we host the Mashebeji Derby for the first time outside Nairobi at this same stadium, the home of Engineer Michael Olunga. God bless Homa Bay County. God bless Kenya. Ero uruka mano joturua. Ero uruka mano kuamrua kowelo.
Makofi ya Gavana.